Long answer question. Question number 2. When did the British government agree to leave India? When did the British government agree to leave India? When did the British government agree to leave India? Answer in 1942. In 1942, Gandhi ji launched the Quit India Gandhi ji launched the Quit India movement, demanding complete freedom for India. He asked people to he asked people he asked people to do or die. It means करो या मरो. In their attempt in their attempt in their attempt to throw the British to throw the British in their attempt to throw the British out of the country. The British finally bowed before the Indians. The British finally bowed before Indians and they agreed to leave India. And they agreed to leave India. So student, when did the British government agree to leave India? So what happens at that time, student? In 1942, Gandhiji launched a new movement, and the name of this movement is Quit India Movement. And what was the agenda of this movement? Now, Gandhiji demanded the complete freedom for our country, India. So, and he also asked the people to do or die, means karo ya maro, to throw out the British people from their country, to throw out the British people from their country. So student, Gandhiji always follow the path of non-violence. But the British people, they are very violent against the Indian people. To curb this movement that is launched by Gandhiji, Quit India movement, many people are jailed at that time, and even many people lost their life also. So lot of sacrifice has been done by the Indian people at that time, because British people, they are only following the path of a violence. And even at that time where the Indian peoples are gathering, so British officer arrest the people also and put them in jail, and even they beat the people of India, and even they fire on the people of India. So see student, this movement is launched in 1947, but when we got the freedom from the British administration in the year 1947, it means it take 5 years for the Indian people to throw the British people out of their country. So lot of violence has been done by the British people against the Indian peoples. But in the last, what happens when they are unable to control the movement launched by Gandhiji? So in the last, British finally bowed झुक गए किनके सामने? बिफोर इंडियंस, एंड देन दे एग्रीड टू लीव इंडिया. सो स्टूडेंट, in 15th August 1947, our country India, we got a freedom from the British rule. So note down from the board, or you can also take the screenshot also. Now student, question number 3, our freedom came with a heavy price. Explain. Why we say that heavy price? Because many people have gave up their life, many people died. That is the reason it is given that our freedom came with a heavy price. Now student, question number 3, our freedom came with a heavy, our freedom came with a heavy price. Explain. It means that we got the freedom, पर इसके लिए हमें बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ी. फ्रीडम तो मिली, लेकिन इसके लिए बहुत बड़ी कीमत भी हमें चुकानी पड़ी. देन वी गेट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल इन 15th August 1947. So note down. Our freedom came with a heavy price. As many people let their life to achieve the freedom. As many people led their life as many people led their life to achieve the freedom. Okay, next, people from different caste people from different caste, races, communities, and religion came together in the freedom fight, in the freedom fight, in the freedom fight. It was a saga of sacrifice. It was a saga of sacrifice. Sacrifice, patience, patience, and remarkable unity among the groups. Patience and remarkable unity among the groups. Among the groups. The struggle was an unique example. The struggle was an the struggle was an unique example. The struggle was an unique example as it was non-violent and peaceful. Non-violent and peaceful. The sacrifice culminated in call for independence. The sacrifice culminated note down this. Then after rubbing the board, 2 more lines are left, that I will write after rubbing the board. So see student, our freedom came with a heavy price. Explain. So now student, our freedom came with a heavy price. What is the reason for that? As many people led their life. मैंने आप लोग को ऑलरेडी इससे पहले वाले आंसर में भी बताया था कि many of the people of India lost their life in that. So because in 1942 already Gandhi ji asked the people of India for do or die, to final attempt to throw out the British from our country, that is India. So people from now, what is the most best thing in this movement? The most best thing is that there are many social evils in the society, especially here I am talking about the caste system and religions. People are lot of suffering due to this caste system and religions, because people of different religions are living in our country, that is India. Okay, people of different religions and caste, they are living in India. So when Gandhi ji asked the people to do and die, so a strong unity has been observed at that times. People belonging to any caste or any religion, they all stand together for the fight of the freedom. This is the most valuable thing which we observe at that time, that the people from different castes, races, communities and religion, they came together for the fight of a freedom. It was a saga of sacrifice, patience and remarkable unity among the groups, because many people died in struggling for the freedom. Many people have lost their life also. और देखो, patience is the most important thing, कि because Gandhi ji is fighting the British people and he is totally following the path of a non-violence, and at that time to control these movement, to curb these movement, lot of violence has been done by the British administration on the people of India. Many of them have lost their life. But what was the strong and positive point is that now at this time, people from all the caste, all the religion, they united together, and remarkable unity among the groups. जो इंडिया मैंने बताया स्टार्टिंग में छोटे छोटे राज्यों में बटा हुआ था, आपस में यूनिटी नहीं थी. दैट इज द रीजन British people came here for the trade purpose, but once upon a time come, they take over the all administration of India in their hands, and it take 200 years for our country to get the freedom from the British rule. So we have observed remarkable unity among the groups. Okay, the struggle was an unique example. Why the struggle was a very unique example, student? This struggle was a very unique example of what? Of non-violent, or you can say non-violence. देखो 1942 में ही डिसाइड कर लिया था कि अब, बट इट टेक 5 years. रीजन क्या था? गांधी जी टोटली फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ ए non-violence, and on the other hand, British administration, they are totally violent. That is the reason lot of unities had been shown by the people of all the caste come together, people of all religion. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान बिकम ए अनदर कंट्री. ये सब कब हुआ? जब ब्रिटिश डिसाइडेड टू go back from India. ये सब तब हुआ था। अगर बाई चांस ये पहले ही हो जाता, हिंदूज मुस्लिम्स में अगर आपस में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई होती, देन वी नेवर गेट द फ्रीडम, तब हमें कभी फ्रीडम नहीं मिली होती। दिस हैपेंस व्हेन ब्रिटिश पीपल डिसाइडेड टू लेफ्ट आवर कंट्री इंडिया एंड दे विल गो बैक। दिस हैपेंस एट दैट टाइम। ओके, अगर ये पहले ही हो जाता, हिंदू मुस्लिम्स आपस में यूनिटी में नहीं आते, देन इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट दैट वी गेट द फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल। तो यूनिक एग्जाम्पल एज इट वॉज नॉन वायलेंट एंड पीसफुल, कहीं भी इंडियन पीपल्स ने लड़ाई झगड़े नहीं किए। वी गेट द फ्रीडम पीसफुली, एंड दैट इज द रीजन मैनी ऑफ द पीपल, इंडियन पीपल, they have to give up their life in the struggle of the freedom. So student, answer is not completed. 2 more lines I have to write, so I am rubbing the board, then I will write that 2 points. In call for, here up to here I have written the sacrifice culminated. Now I am writing in call for independence and finally led to the grant of in call for independence and finally led to the grant of independence. So student, now your chapter number 19 is completed. We have done book exercises of the chapter, we have done question answer of the chapter, all the things we have done in our classwork copy. So student, let's discuss this question also. This is a hot question given in your book. Why should all of us maintain and respect our freedom? Maintain and respect our freedom. So we have to discuss. See student, we should maintain and respect for our freedom because more than 200 years it took that we get the freedom from the British rule, and in the fight of this and in the struggle of this freedom, many people have sacrificed their life. Even Gandhiji come to India in 1915. So many years, 32 years. From 32 years he is fighting with the British government for the freedom of the Indian peoples. So student, at that time, in the struggle of freedom, lot of unity, lot of patience, lot of sacrifice of their life for the country, all these things have been happened in the past. ये सारी चीजें हमारे पास्ट की हिस्ट्रीज में हुई हैं. देन हियर इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम वी आर इंडिपेंडेंस कंट्री, इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री है प्रेजेंट टाइम में हम लोग. बट पास्ट में many peoples have sacrificed for their life so that they get the freedom from the British peoples. So thank you student.